to log in into Jordan Tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into Jordan Tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Jordan Tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen like this. Now click on any of the website that says login. For example, I will choose the first one. After clicking on the website, now wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now finally, here you can see you need to enter your login ID and password in order to log in into your account. In case if you have forgotten your password, tap on forget password option. Now enter your login ID and password and finally tap on login option. And with that, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your Jordan Tax account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.